Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by measuring and organizing ingredients. 200 g plain flour, 50 g unsalted butter, 1/2 cup chicken stock, 2 tablespoon curry powder, and 2 tsp garam masala. Finely chop 1 medium onion and prepare 150 g of cooked vegetables like carrots and potatoes. Use a digital scale and a rubber spatula for accuracy. Pre-measure salt to 1 tsp and sugar to 1 tsp. Having ingredients ready prevents overcooking and ensures the roux will melt 50 g of butter in a heavy saucepan over medium heat, then add 200 g of flour and stir constantly to form a blonde roux. Cook and whisk for 8 to 10 minutes until fragrant and lightly amber. Avoid burning. Gradually add 1/2 cup chicken stock while whisking to maintain a smooth texture, then stir in 2 tablespoon curry powder and 2 tsp garam masala. Cook for another 3 minutes until thick and cohesive, then remove from heat and let cool slightly before adding softened vegetables. Spoon the hot curry roux and vegetables into a parchment-lined loaf pan, smoothing and pressing to a uniform 2 cm thickness so blocks set evenly. Allow to cool to room temperature for 20 minutes, then cover and chill in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours until firm. Turn out and cut into 20 g portions or 30 g for larger servings. Flash freeze on a tray, then pack into labeled freezer bags with the date. Store at 0 degrees F and use within 3 months for best flavor.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.